Namaskar to everyone. I hope everyone is fine. This is Molan from beautiful state from Tripura, and today I am going to speak about a very fantastic story for you all. See, we say that in our life, that we don't have some things or better things to get better information in our life. Yes, right? Because of shortage of money, poor in our life. We used to say like this, yes, right? But main important thing is that we are ready to learn or not. What I say that, are you ready to learn or not in your life? The most important things in our life is that things. See, one boy, he was very poor and he don't have a family background in his family. And what he did, he was curious to learn everything and anything in his life. And now he become a little bit better communicator in his life. What he do, he have just done some work, whatever it takes, whatever it is difficult or whatever it is difficult task or whatever task, he has to do his level best. What I have to do, I will do until and unless what I can do. What he said, whatever he have to do, he have done it until and unless he have to do what he want to do. So in this way, his set our minds was like this in this way, and now he is able to speak some few words in English, in Hindi, and many other things, communicators, and he know how to communicate with other people in very respectively. So today I am speaking about that persons. So we are also persons that we can study. You also can study in any ways, but nowadays you can study from your homes. You can earn money from your home. By what? By this small mobile, small tablet. You can learn and earn from this tab only, dear. What I'm saying, you can learn first. If you really want to make more earnings, then you have to improve more in learning first. That is most important in our life. Okay, so see, we say that we don't have some things in our life, we don't have family backgrounds, and we are poor. We say we don't have money, but main thing is that we have the things is to generate everything in our life. We can generate talent, we can generate whatever we want to become. We see in their books, some books are written, and the reality of book is written that whatever you're going to think, you will become that person. If you think positive, you will become a positive person in your life. If you think negative, of course you will become negative. These are the things. See, our thoughts are seeds. Whatever we grow, whatever we think, it will become. So the seeds, do you think about a seed that it will grow or not? Obviously it is going to grow. So we people should think positive ways in any way. So thank you so much for today this much. You also can do anything and everything in the universe. That if you want to learn English, then you can speak a better ways by learning mobile only, by watching these mobiles. See, there are lots of people better than me. They are good speakers in their life. So you can watch those people that they know how to communicate well to other people and make other people understand, make people explain in very fantastic way that you can just listen and understand that, oh, in this. So dear, thank you so much and have a wonderful day to you all. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.